Hey, what's going on, guys? So for tonight, we got a lot of news, right? So there's a lot of stuff going on. Just get right to it, actually. If you look here, you will see tomorrow. This already just happened. So we have all this news here for the Euro. We have Chief Euro at 3 o'clock in the morning. Euro here at 3:45, 3:50, 3:55, 4 o'clock. There's a bunch of stuff going on. Low impact news. Then we got something on the GBP at 7 a.m. And then it's all USD news. So get ready because the very next day is, you guessed it, NFP. So let's move on and see what we got. So Euro USD did its good reversal last night. I wanted it to stop on high to continue down, but instead it just continued down throughout London session and then had a massive reversal going into New York session that it just continued playing out into tonight's late Asian session. So the one thing I'm seeing is that it's in the range, but if you look at the daily, you'll see that it's inside of a channel, right? That channel, which I said is still bearish. Thing is, although I still see it being bearish overall, it is maintaining this channel. So it didn't break past it. It wicked beneath it, grabbing liquidity, and I think they're just gonna go and completely reverse from here. So all I'm gonna say is let's be looking for bullish moves on the Euro USD. Like I said, but there is, like you saw on the thing, there's a lot of Euro news and there's a lot of USD news. So just be careful. But I do want to see something of like a pullback and then a potential move up, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm only going to be looking to be bullish on the Euro USD. If I'm up for New York session tomorrow, then I'll be grabbing it and moving forward from there. GBP USD, this one I'm going to be, you got to be careful on because of the fact that it's already up so high. Unlike Euro USD, where it had still, still has plenty of room to get to that high set 2 days ago. But here, you're seeing it needs to go reach up to that trend line. So at least that channel line, which currently, from the time of recording, is about 28 pips away. And if you guys know GBP, that is not a lot of pips on GBP, but it can still move, right? So the best case scenario, if you're going to trade this, if you are going to trade it, I personally don't really feel like trading this unless it does some crazy shit, which supposedly in the morning it's going to do that. I would look for some sort of pullback down, maybe retest the zones here, and then from there see some sort of pattern to continue up. It might not do that. It might just consolidate and then continue. But regardless, I think it's going to respect the channel integrity and keep pushing up. So that's what you should be looking for on that. And then we got USDJPY, which it didn't really give us the reversal pattern. I mean, it did. It threw like a little M formation here, but that is not an M formation that I personally look for. Instead, it just kind of just started making a gradual move down. And I think we're going to see it just, drop down all the way through Asian session going into London. I don't really think we're going to see it, pull back crazy yet. I think it's going to come down here, hit these EMAs, either the 500 or the 800, and then once it hits that, either consolidate to drop, maybe consolidate a little bit higher, then drop, or just straight up pull back on one big candle, then make a move down. So a lot of things could happen with this pair. Wouldn't say it's like the best thing to touch at the very moment of recording at 7:44 p.m. So I think we are going to wait, obviously, for New York session. We got to wait for these setups to happen during Asian moving forward. And then, sorry, something fell out. And then we'll look to do something with the buy or the sell. I think it's going to continue its move down, but that's just me. It has to complete, it is actually completing this overall big M formation. I was initially looking for this thing to kind of break through and go up, but at the moment, I think it's going to pull back and fill in some of the gaps down here. We'll see. Not the best setup, but I am looking to be bearish, continued bearish move on this pair for at least tonight, and then we'll move forward going into New York session. So let's see what happens. If remember, it's NFP this week, and be careful. Have proper risk management, and every trade you take is you're completely liable for. Hopefully, you guys are seeing some value from what we're doing here. If you guys are interested in getting a little bit more detail on what I'm talking about, because I am very blunt, I don't really go into too much detail on why I'm saying the things I'm saying. But if you guys are interested in trying to figure out how I'm coming to these conclusions, how it's working for me, reach out to me, reach out to the email, join the Discord, message me. I'm here, and at least like this channel, subscribe to it, or like like the video, subscribe to the channel, And I'll be putting out some more content because we have some exciting things coming out in the near future. And anybody that is part of that journey is going to get first movers advantage. I'll just say that. So, with that being said, everybody have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow night for NFP. Peace out.